and come and sing along with me, learning letters A to Z. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, we bounce on the bed. C is for cup, to drink up tea. D is for drum, play loud with glee. E is for eraser, rub, rub away. F is for fan, spinning all day. E is for glass, we drink from here. H is for hat, we wear with cheer. Now we've learned our ABCs, with fun objects A to Z. Sing again and you will see, letters are fun for you and me. I is for ice, so chilly and cold. J is for jar, for cookies we hold. K is for key, it opens the door. L is for lamp that lights the floor. M is for mug, we sip and smile. N is for net that catches a while. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for pen, to write words neat. Now we've learned our ABCs, with fun objects A to Z. Sing again and you will see, letters are fun for you and me. Q is for quilt, cozy and warm. R is for radio, playing a song. S is for spoon, we used to eat. T is for table, for every seat. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for vase with flowers inside. W is for window, we look through each day. X is for xylophone, music to play. Y is for yo-yo, spinning for fun. Z is for zip, that zips when we're done. Now we've learned our ABCs, with fun objects A to Z. Sing again and you will see, letters are fun for you and me.
A